Y'all aren't gonna believe that. Good morning, everybody. We're going to take you to a restaurant that we've been to several years ago, and it was good back then. And we're just going to bring you along, and we're going to have a good day together. So stay tuned. Y'all aren't gonna believe this. We hit 30,000 miles exactly in the middle of the bridge that goes over the Brazos, the old stone bridge that was built in the 30s or 40s or whatever. So that's pretty freaking cool. What's your name?
Michelle.
How long you been here?
I started in August 3 years ago. January, be 3 years, the building's been open.
I got water and a beer.
And for everybody worried about drinking and riding, this is the only one I'm gonna have. So what do you guys do here?
Mondays, we play music bingo. Tuesday, we have the Piano Man from 6 to 9. Wednesday, we do teacher appreciation. We give 10% to the teachers. Thursday, we do trivia. Friday nights, we do karaoke. Every Saturday, we have a band. A Sunday, we're doing song swap, but they're not going to be doing it for the remainder of December because of football. At the first of the year, they'll pick back up.
The first and only time besides today that we've been here was 3 years ago, right after they opened. It was one of the last wind turbine projects that we were on. Pretzel bites right here. I'm gonna smash. Look at that cheese sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that deliciousness. I wish it came with more. Oh my. They were showing who was going to be the comedian on New Year's Eve, so I went to go take a picture of it, but I missed it, so I'm waiting for that again. But I did see the QR code to look at their wine menu. So naturally, we have to look at that.
Naturally.
I mean, of course. Look at that.
Well, you just look at it.
You just look at
You
it.
just look at it.
We're gonna have to smoosh that down. Look
It's a beautiful thing.
how fat this is. Fat burger.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, I want some pickle. I got the bourbon honey sauce on it. Perfect. Yeah.
This bun is very fluffy.
It looks very fluffy. I love food. I need to try this coleslaw though. Let's see. Has a good bite to it. Yep.
And if you're a French fry fan, these are absolutely wonderful.
Those are the real deal. There's no way I'm eating all this.
That's okay.
There's a lot. And it's a really good sized chicken breast on here. Thick.
Everybody likes the big, thick breast.
Get some of the onion. Yeah.
Is your coleslaw wet or dry?
Wet.
I like when it's wet. It's way better.
Yeah. Got a bite.
That's excellent. That may be some of the best coleslaw I've ever had.
That's a good one. It's got all the different cabbages in it. I don't know if it's the vinegar or like lemon or what it is that's giving it such a good tang. But I like that I can't figure out what it is. You know that's a good recipe when you don't know what it is that is making it so delicious. My breast is falling out.
Oh no. Liar. I'm excited.
This is going to be my last bite because I'm full and I don't want to be miserable going home. And I'm the worst sandwich eater in the whole world. Look at this. I'm terrible. That's what I'm talking about.
Y'all, we just finished with lunch at Muddy Mike's, and this is the second time we've been here. 10 out of 10.
I gorged myself.
It is an absolutely great place, and we're actually we're gonna make many more plans with this place. But we're gonna walk around Cisco here a little bit, and we'll take you with us.
Let's go.
He always tells me to slow down. But he has longer legs than me, so how do I walk faster than he does?
I don't know, but I just gorged myself on food.
So did I. I'm walking
Why are
it
you
off.
walking so fast?
I'm walking it off. It's gorgeous. It is 70 degrees today. And I really don't need my coat walking around, but my coat has pockets and my jeans don't because no one makes jeans for women with real pockets. Thank you, Muddy Mike's. We are at the Possum Kingdom Lake Dam. We need a walk. I almost fell asleep on the bike. So I'm glad I put my vest on and no sweatshirt, because if I was warm and toasty in my leather jacket, I would have fallen asleep. Do I trust myself wearing heels this close to the edge? It's so pretty. I want to climb down there so bad. That's not a good idea in these shoes. Would you just look at it?
This is one of our favorite little honey holes.
I wore the wrong shoes.
This is the bottom side of the Morris Shepherd Dam at Possum Kingdom. The old hydroelectric plant part of it is over here, and then the main gates and everything. Beautiful, beautiful. We're at the end of December and it's 70 degrees. Look at this. She's riding the motorcycle with a t-shirt. So with this valley in front of us here, this three-walled box canyon, this is the beginning of the Goodnight Loving Trail. So if you guys are familiar with Lonesome Dove, this is the beginning of the trail.
Hope you had fun with us on that ride. I had fun.
Great time. Muddy Mike's is fantastic. We even threw a little history and a little spot that we like to stop and all kinds of stuff today. It was a action-packed ride. So we hope you enjoyed it. And if you would, please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things.
Hit the bell so you know when our next video is coming out.
Yeah, we got lots of good stuff coming up. So until next time,
Keep the shiny side up.
and ride the dang bike.